Let's talk accounting software, your secret weapon to wrangling your finances with ease. In this guide, we'll walk you through how it simplifies your financial record keeping, helps you stay on top of expenses, and paints a clear picture of your financial health. Running your own business? Choosing the right accounting tool is crucial, but with so many options out there, it's like navigating a labyrinth. Don't worry, we're here to make it a breeze. While you might find standalone solutions for invoicing and taxes, dedicated accounting platforms usually offer a more comprehensive package. To help you cut through the clutter, we've reviewed the best invoicing software on the market. We've done the heavy lifting, evaluating capabilities, price tags, and suitability for different industries. Whether you're a freelancer on a service-based business, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in and explore the top players in the game. Number 1. QuickBooks, the accounting software champion. QuickBooks is a household name among small businesses and tax professionals. With over 4.5 million businesses relying on it worldwide, it's clearly doing something right. From transparent pricing to feature-packed plans, it's a top choice. You can access all your accounting features from a single dashboard, making bookkeeping a breeze. Plus, the mobile app offers customization options for payment handling, report reviews, and more. QuickBooks has all the tools you need from inventory management to time tracking. And if you need payroll, it's got your back. Whether you're sending invoices, tracking expenses, or keeping an eye on cash flow, QuickBooks has you covered, starting with its basic plan. Need more? Higher tier plans offer deeper analytics and access to a dedicated accounting team. Find a perfect fit for your small business, whether it's the simple start, essentials, or plus plan. QuickBooks also integrates seamlessly with popular business tools. Bonus! Enjoy a 30% discount for the first 6 months with a 30-day free trial. Number 2. FreshBooks, tailored for service-based businesses. For service-based businesses, invoicing is king, and FreshBooks knows it. It offers extensive customizations for your invoicing needs. But that's not all. It takes care of basic bookkeeping tasks too. Send proposals, track project time, and get paid quickly with FreshBooks. Invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and reporting are its standout features. You can set up automated invoicing, accept online payments, and get those late payment reminders out to speed up your cash flow. With FreshBooks, you can brand your invoices, accept online payments, and automate payment reminders. And with precise time tracking and project tools, you'll have every minute, file, and conversation logged. Keep your finances tax ready with expense tracking and even categorize credit card transaction fees. FreshBooks also integrates with PayPal, MailChimp, Zen Payroll, and Basecamp. Bonus! Try FreshBooks with a 30-day free trial, no credit card required. Number 3. Sage Accounting, flexible accounting for small businesses. Sage Accounting offers a user-friendly and adaptable accounting solution for small businesses. With 40 years of experience, this British company caters to a diverse range of customers. The top Sage Accounting plan includes features like code and invoice management, VAT handling, bank feeds, cash flow forecasting, multi-currency support, and project tracking, all available on desktop and mobile. Should you run into trouble, detailed web help and video tutorials are a click away. Plus, enjoy free and limited 24/7 telephone and email support to keep you comfortable. If you're just starting or running a small business, the basic accounting start plan is worth considering. Bonus! Explore Sage Accounting with a 30-day free trial. Number 4. Zoho Books, automation-fueled accounting. Zoho Books is the choice for small and medium-sized business owners who need plenty of features and automation. Its cloud-based interface is clean and simple, making it cost-effective and mobile-friendly. You have 3 plans to choose from with features like automated workflows and a varying number of contacts and users. Standard is the most popular, while Professional offers the full bells and whistles experience. Going for an annual package will earn you 2 months off. Zoho Books also offers add-ons for additional functionality. Try it out with a free 14-day trial. Bonsai, streamlined accounting for freelancers. Bonsai is a cloud-based solution perfect for freelancers and businesses of all sizes. It helps you manage client proposals, ongoing projects, development time, payment invoices, and tax estimates. Bonsai keeps you updated on your business finances with income reports, expense tracking, tax reminders, and more. Simply connect your bank account and expenses will be automatically categorized for tax season. Get a handle on your income and expenses for different times of the year. Bonsai even provides quarterly and annual tax reminders, tax estimates, and due dates. Bonsai also offers features like multi-currency support, project billing, reporting, questionnaires, expense tracking, and pre-made templates. Bonus: trusted by over 500,000 self-employed workers and small businesses. Melio, streamline accounts payable. Melio is your solution for managing online payments via bank transfers and debit or credit cards. It simplifies bookkeeping, tax processes, and payment workflows by syncing with accounting software like QuickBooks and FreshBooks. Melio allows employees to add vendor or billing details, upload documents, and streamline approval workflows. The centralized dashboard lets accountants track multiple client accounts and payments in real time. Key features include payment scheduling, automated data synchronization, reporting, invoicing, and payment reminders. Melio offers a free version with a processing fee for credit card transactions. Personal Capital, master your home finances. Personal Capital provides a centralized view of your household finances. Understand your net worth by tracking your assets and liabilities in one place. Manage your spending and savings. Set monthly targets and ensure you're staying on budget. Plug in your investment and bank accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, 401k, loans, and investments. Get a real sense of your financial health by the end of each month. Bonus: it's all about staying in control and making smarter financial decisions. And for a little extra, Sendu, online accounting and bookkeeping. Sendu offers technology-based bookkeeping and accounting services for small business owners. It easily integrates with Xero or QuickBooks Online, and your dedicated bookkeeper, CPA, and accountant are just a message away. Enjoy monthly profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and a dashboard showing your business trends over time. Keep your finger on the pulse of industry trends and grow your business with a US-based bookkeeping team. Take the hassle out of accounting, reduce stress, and get back to doing what you do best. So there you have it, the top accounting software options in the market. Which one do you think will work best for you? Let us know in the comments below. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect fit for your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep counting coins!